I guess that's why during World War II they told everybody not to smoke, because they could see the cigarette from the air. Just spit on this thing or something. Freaking thing won't go out. Well, it went out. Now you got doused. Hey, I'm Hello Rodney. Thanks for clicking on my video. I can use my little screen thing to check and see that I put my lighter there. Like it's a little flashlight. Well, I'm going to be making probably more videos. Because I think it's kind of important that I do that. Oh! Somebody from Sweden. There's a link down there. People should be ashamed, but you're not. Australia and Sweden. Recently. That was good. Thank you. Thank you both. Thank you very much. I appreciate it very much. I do. Very kind of you. You don't have to do that, you know. Nobody has to send me any money. Unless you learn something, unless you're entertained, unless you have a good time. And you don't even have to do it then, but certainly not for any other reason other than you learn something or you have a good time. Oh, the butterfly had a busted wing. This stuff is so thin. See how thin I made it? I made it that thin. So I had the butterfly up there on the, what did I do with it? I had it up there on, oh damn it, shit. Damn it! God. Ugh! I could just freaking scream. Fuck. Damn it. I have to do a little surgery here. I removed that little piece of paint that got stuck on my butterfly that doesn't belong there. I mean, you can't, nobody could probably pick it up because it just kind of blends in anyway, but I can see it, so I want to get rid of it. But I think it's important that if we can do something to help somebody else, I think that's important. And I'm not saying that because I want somebody to go down. I'm not saying that for any particular reason related to me, okay? That, you know, if I can do something that, like make videos, and just look at my videos. I mean, my videos are about, you know, taking a little freaking piece of paint off of a butterfly. I mean, for crying out loud. Anyway, that's the butterfly. It's on this freaking napkin now because I made the napkin. Damn it. Doesn't look like it worked there. Oh, crap. I could just freaking... Well, it is what it is at this point in the game. So I don't think I'm going to be... I broke the wing and then I put it back together, and then I realized it's not the best way I put it back together. So I wanted to give it some reinforcement in the back. So just some tissue paper and some glue. But it's just a little bit out of line. Damn it! How the hell did I do that? It was perfect, and then it must have, when I left it, I must have hit it or done something, because you can see right there, it's not quite right there where it joins. Fuck. That's the thing about having no lights, you bump into the trash can real easily. And you hit your toe on something. My brother broke his freaking toe down at my mom's. He ran into the bed and broke his freaking toe. I don't know what the hell this is going to do. Might scorch the side of the butterfly for all I know. I don't know what the fuck's going to happen with this. Might make it better. Might make it better. Might make it worse. You never can tell. Oh boy. Does anybody really care about this? I kind of like it like that, but see, this is how I spend my time. Doing stuff like this, it doesn't make me any freaking money. Why am I doing this? For the love of freaking Pete, why am I doing this? Oh, look, I think I almost pushed it over into its proper alignment. Oh, yeah, it broke there. It was breaking there the other day, but now it's not going to be going anywhere because it's glued on the back. This is very light. Very, very thin, and it's really more fragile than what I thought it was going to be. But it's just basically a plastic clay is what it is. Now it's with scorched edges. But what are you going to do? What are you going to do when you've got scorched edges? Nothing. You're just going to put it right there and let it do its little thing. Whatever it's going to do, you can do it right there. Damn it. I remember how that. There we go. That's not going to work. See, it kind of looks like it's flying away. And we just leave it there for a while. See what happens. It can sit. Oh, God. I don't know why I thought it was going to get smoky when I burned that stuff. I didn't understand why. I didn't understand the concept of smoke and coughing. Wow. Paint stick heaven. It's paint stick heaven time. Doodly doodly doo. Oh! Put that up there. This is my old hat, my old African hat. Isn't that great? I've had this hat for, I got this hat around 85 maybe, somewhere in there. I've had this hat for, what's that, 30 years? Feels good. It's a good hat, except it's not good in the wind. 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 Oh yeah. But I think I'm going to make some more videos. But these videos, you know, are just me doing what I always do. Just in like my own, just like every other freaking video, what I do. Just the same old, same old. I was looking at these the other day, yesterday in another video. And I was looking, I thought I had the camera on, but the camera was like over here like that. You couldn't even see him. These are these things I got. Oh, I think I did a video on those already. I think that I'm going to do some more experimentation with this clay because I don't think it's going to be what I'm going to be doing. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure of it. But I think I'm going to do some experimentation with it where I burn it. Where I make some stuff and it just gets burned and then see what happens to it because it'll be, hopefully it won't just break apart. Oh, there's a freaking mosquito. And in my last video, there was a mosquito right here on my head. Why didn't somebody tell me? There's another freaking mosquito. There was a mosquito that landed. Go back and see the video. It landed right on my forehead and just stayed there. I was looking. I go, wow, man, you don't even feel that. And then I went like that just to do something, and the mosquito took off. And then I saw it, and bam-o, whacked the mosquito. I thought that was kind of interesting. Boy, it's a nice cool breeze coming in. I'll go ahead and open this window all the way up. That's my my cooling system. You know, the cold air that's up in the mountains comes down and comes downhill because it's cold, and it comes right into my house and fills up my house with cold air. So my house is, you know, when it's warm, when it's hot, it stays cool. That's the plan anyway. And that hole up there, that's it. It's basically like a air exchanger where the air can, it doesn't get all trapped and everything. It can flow around. That'll all be shut off here pretty quick. When the wintertime comes, I shut that off. Because I just basically heat the other side of my house. I don't heat the studio area. Because I can't. My stove is not big enough. But I finished bringing up the wood from that lumber stuff from down on my road where the people left it there for me. Finished bringing it up. It's pretty nice little pile. Enough to keep my house warm for probably, well, it depends on how cold it is, but at least, probably say at least 2 or 3 days. Or maybe, I don't know how long. I don't know. It's all an estimate. Depends on how cold it is. But anyway, I'm feeling good about my wood situation. I'm feeling good about my wood situation. Doodly-doo-dee-doo. I think that's a magnet. No, I guess not. I thought it was a magnet. But anyway, it's got a lot of cool wire on there. That's all red wire. I might be able to use that for something. I thought it was a freaking magnet. But that's the wire. It's very fine wire. I might be able to use this wire for, like, I have those pearls. Might be interesting to see have some pearls on this wire, this little red wire. It might make an interesting neck piece. Just a little wire like that with some little pearls on there. Because the holes in the pearls are real small. I think I might try that out. I was looking at these videos on making paper beads and stuff like that, and I go, oh man, going backwards, buddy. Well, not actually going backwards, but I've got to do something else. And I think I'm going to go ahead and try some of that freaking Adderall. I didn't want to do it, but, you know. And I hadn't told anybody on YouTube. I told one person. But I'm taking this stuff called Wellbutrin. Wellbutrin is like an antidepressant. And I think that's why I've been feeling better. Because I have been feeling better. And also, and I was thinking it was a Wellbutrin that was making me gain weight. No, it was my insatiable appetite for crackers, peanut butter, and honey. With butter. I would just eat stacks of those fucking things. It was like, man, come on, buddy. So this is my second day. I'm cracker, peanut butter, and honey, and butter free. Oh, we're so proud of you, Rodney. I quit drinking the day after Father's Day, 1979. Look at all the stuff I've got. All of this stuff. Oh, these could be for my series, because there's stuff in all of these. There's stuff in these. And this one, and this one, this one, and that one. That's a big box covered with that cloth. There's stuff in all three of those. So I've got those three, and then I've got the one triangle, that's 4, and then those 5, that's 9. I have 9. Oh, I have this other one too. That big one right there, that's 10. 10 packages that are wrapped like that. That's the biggest one right there. So I have 10. I have 10 of those secret packages. I don't think that's going to be a real big hit. It's a big hit with me. But everything's a big, even the Fab Four is a big hit with me. She loves me, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves me, yeah, yeah, yeah. The Fab Four. But I did when I got home today. I went to the flea market and went to deal with that car thing and all that. But I came back and I ate some potatoes that I had that were leftovers. I ate 8 bananas, 2 smoothies. Because it's like eating ice cream, except it's healthier. It's real good. It was real cold and real good. It's just basically frozen bananas and water blended. That's it. But it's real good. It's excellent. These are, my goodness. These right here, this right here is, this is my respirator from work, and this is my pencil. And I'm going to put a little flag on my pencil to delineate that that's my pencil. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, that's funny. That's a postcard that I never sent. This is when I went out to Santa Barbara in 1988. Well, I think it was. I'm not sure. Yeah, 88. That's about the time. Yeah. This must have been the transitional one, because this is what I was doing when I was working in the mines. But that postcard, of course, it could have been, I don't know. There's some Albuquerque stuff, I think, on that. I have so many drawing books. These are all drawing books. Oh my God. There's some interesting drawings in this one. So many freaking drawing books. I was doing this series of stuff, these I should go through some of my drawing books, pick out some stuff. It's kind of interesting, some of the stuff I was thinking about back then. This is a male snake right here with a diamond on his back. That's a male snake. That's funny. That's a funny picture. Yeah, I was already in LA at this time. Oh, Yeah, these are drawings of the us and them during the Gulf War. That everything is done by chance. Huh. It's kind of funny. I haven't looked at those drawings in years. Well, maybe not years. I don't know when's the last time I looked at them. I just put them in here because they were... This is 1985. This is when I had already split up with my ex. And I did a series on bathers on the beach. And there's a diamond with the man. Oh, this right here, this is a marijuana. This is a joint right here. So this, I think this is before, yeah, this is before I went into drug rehab. This is in '85 when I was living in Albuquerque. A lot of joints there. But there was a point where I started doing, oh, that's Paul. There was a point there when I started, when I quit smoking pot and I started spray painting walls. And one of the things, I had two things that I spray painted. I spray painted Boob Tube Society, which was a coffee table with a TV and the words Boob Tube Society. And then the other one was, Is Your Life Going Up in Smoke? And it was one of those joints with an X through it. So that was kind of... Let's look at it and see this other one, see what this one is. I got a whole pile of these freaking things. Oh, wow. It's me playing the piano, I think. There's somebody playing the piano. That's the famous Frontier roll right there. These little cups of coffee. Andy buys me a tenner at the Frontier. Thanks, Andy. I don't remember that. Some more joints. Can't remember who Andy was. Anyway, got bunches of those little books down in there. Well, anyway, this wasn't much of a video. I really don't have much to say, you know. I don't have much to say. I don't think I'm going to put this video up tonight. I think maybe I'll do something tomorrow and add it to that. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't really feel like doing it right now. Let's see what time it is. I think it's almost 9 o'clock. I think having eight bananas in a freaking smoothie, I am like, I don't feel that good. But it's my own fault. But I'm not eating those freaking crackers, so that's good. Okay, I will probably see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. Well, it's morning, and I got up and I didn't really feel like going for a walk, but I went for a walk anyway. It was good, you know. When I don't feel like going for a walk, maybe that means it's time to go for a walk. Oh man. I had some blood right there. I think it was a mosquito bite. Maybe I smacked it in my sleep or something. Who knows? But anyway, I'm going to post this video. That I did yesterday. I was going to put this one at the end, but I'll just use this one as an introduction to a video that I don't even remember what it was. I don't remember what it's about. But I did get some interesting information. Excuse me. I did the video about my car. And one of my subscribers said, hey, there's a check in the mail. 20 bucks? I have no idea. Knowing who this subscriber is, it's going to be a nice surprise for me. So, thank you. Appreciate it very much. So, that'll be nice. Oh, man. You know, have you ever had where you like coughed and it like hiccup at the same time? Anyway, thank you very much. It's kind of you to send me some money for that. That's great. Appreciate it. I have the hiccups. If I have the hiccups, I'm going to show you do the trick again. How to get rid of the hiccups. If it happens one more time, I'll show you the hiccup trick. Oh boy. This thing right here. Fuck, I got the hiccups. Damn it. It made this little bead right here, this little shape right here. And you get that little shape, you get a round piece of clay, and then you just rotate this thing like that, and it turns into that shape. I've done this hiccup alleviator trick multiple times, and it's always worked. So there's no reason why it won't work today. The freaking hiccups. Damn it. Okay, what you do, look at that water, it's got a bunch of air in it. That actually came out of my tap. It's got a bunch of air bubbles. I don't know why. But what you do, maybe the air bubbles are no good. I don't know. They're dissipating in the bottom now. You can see that. Freaking hiccups. That's what I do. Take a deep breath. You have to put this metal object, like a knife, into water, and then put this to your cheek, and then drink the water. So I take a deep breath. finish that, I'd take another deep breath, and the hiccups should be gone. I met this guy across the road. I met this other guy who's a different person. And that person had hiccups for like 2 weeks or something. If I didn't know anybody, I would have told him that trick. So, anyway, I'll probably end up going to the flea market because, you know, I don't have anything else to do. Actually, I do. I've got to go to Walmart and pick up my prescriptions. So, kind of an interesting shape. It's called a bicone shape. 2 cones. Thank God. The hiccups are gone. That once I found out about that, I tried it. Because, you know, first of all, you think, there's no way that's going to work. I just illustrated it. I think I've done an illustration on that, the video on that before too. But if you have hiccups, that's how you get rid of them. Okay. Maybe I'll put this at the end of the video. I don't know where this is going. I think I'll put it at, I don't know where it is. I'll decide when I get ready to upload it, which is going to be right now. I'm Rodney. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, thanks for that. I appreciate it. It's nice for someone to send me money for my car. That's awesome. Thank you very much. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.